Performance evaluation. Price and design, 4.3 out of 5. When considering value for money, the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA is reasonably priced at $309 for its features. Some of its competitors, like the Acquire ICD4WUP01, cost slightly more at $330. To check the latest prices, click the links in the description. Its sleek design, available in black and white, is compact enough for small spaces, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, or boats. It's a stylish addition to any kitchen, with 17.3 inches in height, 16.5 inches in width, and a depth of 17.3 inches. Cleaning performance, 4.5 out of 5. Our team was impressed by the variety of wash cycles this little powerhouse offers. It ensures dishes are sparkling clean with 5 cycles, including baby care, glass, normal, rapid, and fruit wash. The baby care cycle even steam cleans and sterilizes baby bottles, ensuring utmost hygiene. Drying performance, 4.4 out of 5. The Farberware uses heat drying to ensure your dishes are dry and ready to use. Plus, it rinses dishes with hot water at the end of the cycle, and the automatic air circulation helps reduce moisture and odor. Noise level, 4.2 out of 5. Operating within a noise range of 52 to 55 dB, this dishwasher maintains quiet in your kitchen. It is a bit less noisy than some competitors, such as Farberware FDW05ASBWHA, which operates at 58 dB. It's designed to keep the peace, ensuring your daily conversations and activities can continue uninterrupted, contributing to a more harmonious environment. Energy efficiency, 4.4 out of 5. Though it doesn't have an Energy Star rating, its estimated energy consumption is 130 kilowatt-hours. Operating at 120 volts, it's energy efficient for its size and capacity. Water usage, 4.6 out of 5. One of its standout features is its minimal water consumption. Using just 5 liters per cycle, it's both eco-friendly and pocket-friendly. Consuming only 5 liters per cycle is almost similar to most of its competitors. Cycle time, 4.3 out of 5. From a rapid 40-minute cycle for lightly soiled dishes to a thorough 130-minute normal cycle, it offers flexibility based on your needs. Loading capacity, 4.6 out of 5. Though compact, it can accommodate dishes up to 12 inches in diameter with its 2-place settings. The single rack design is straightforward, with fold-down tines for flexibility. Safety features, 3.9 out of 5. While it lacks advanced safety features like child locks or leak protection, its basic design ensures safe and hassle-free operation. But be careful when kids are around. Reliability and durability, 4.4 out of 5. This product is designed with a durable plastic exterior and interior tub, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable performance. The 1-year warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring you're covered for any manufacturing defects.